Welcome to Ivanti Neurons for Discovery. First, we'll download the Discovery agent. What we'll do is click on the Download Ivanti Neurons for Discovery agent link. As we're not going to be using an MDM tool to deploy this, I'm going to select No and download the Discovery agent. The Discovery agent and an associated options file are downloaded to the device. All we need to do now is install the agent. Once the Discovery agent has been installed on a device, that device becomes what's known as a Discovery representative and is responsible for the deployment, credentials, and agentless scanning on other devices on the network. We can see the deployment representative in the deployment representatives area within the UI. In order to start discovering devices on our network, we need to configure and start passive discovery and agentless scanning. In here, we enable the self-election process. What this allows us to do is to specify a static device on the network that can be used to identify which network we're on. By specifying the device name and also its associated IP address, what this does is it starts an election on the network, and any deployment representatives that install are included in that election. Only one of those devices will be elected as the device that will be used to perform the discovery on the network. We can now also configure agentless inventory. And what we do is add some credentials in here and enable agentless inventory and click Save. The global network device settings have now been configured. Next, we'll switch over to the devices view. There's nothing in the devices view currently. If we refresh the screen, we should start to see devices populating the devices list. You'll now see that there's some devices in here that have been discovered through the passive scanning technique. Some of them will display as unknown devices. The agentless scan, which does a deeper dive into these devices, will be able to populate that over time. And as you can now see, the display names have started to be populated due to the agentless scan that is being performed on those devices.